Okay, hello everyone. You're welcome to this particular program where we are going to be talking forex trading today in Cameroon. And please, I would like that you do me a favor to like the live, share the video as much as possible, and invite other people to come connect with us today. Today we are going to be actually launching a program on this platform to give very good information to people as far as forex is concerned. And I believe that you are going to love the program and you are going to benefit a lot from the program. Please, before I go into business, I would like that more audience should connect. So please let's just give 1 minute for others to connect, for others to join us, so that the live will be interesting. It's very important that we do this with a good number of people, so that many people, many young people, many youth can benefit from this program and make good use of it. So please keep liking, keep sharing, give it more hearts, please. Thank you for sharing, thank you for liking. I appreciate. Thank you very much. Keep sharing. Thank you. Okay, I can see that we have a very good number of audience already, and we can start the program. I will start by introducing myself. If this is the first time that you are hearing me speak about forex or talk about forex, I am Ronnie Rastan Gayap Chamwe. I'm the CEO of Bell Forex and Crypto Community, and also the founder of Bell and Community Group of Companies based in Douala, Cameroon. For a couple of years now, I've been here on this platform talking about forex trading in Cameroon, educating people on the right ethics, on the right ways in which they could invest in forex trading without being scammed or without passing through people that take their money and scam them. So today we are launching a program here on this platform where we are going to be teaching people core forex concept, from the basics of forex to advanced forex to even technical analytics and fundamental analysis. This program will be called Forex Talk Time, and on this program we are going to be doing market analysis for the week. We are also going to be doing fundamental analysis for the week. We are also going to be selecting topics in a chronological manner that can give enough information to those acquiring to or aspiring to become forex traders. So even if you are already a forex trader, or still willing or still aspiring to become a forex trader, this program is for you, as we are going to be offering technical analytics sessions during the program, and as well as we are going to be offering basic classes concerning this program. So what will be the benefit of this program and how long will the program last? The Forex Talk Time here on this platform will last for as long as we are there and as long as the energy will still be there to keep pushing. The Forex Talk Time will benefit the mass, the Cameroonian mass, and even beyond of Cameroon in a way that people will be able to have the right information as far as forex is concerned. People will know exactly how they can go about starting forex trading. I know a lot of us keep hearing forex, but because we don't have enough information to know how it operates, many of us are still falling victims on online investment scams that claim to use forex trading as their main activity. Within this program, I will focus in passing on to you techniques and strategies in which you can use to profit in the foreign exchange market, and I'll be able to teach you the do and the don'ts as far as forex trading is concerned. And I believe that this program will be coming up every week, and we'll be talking about forex trading every week here on this platform. And by the end of this year, I believe that a good number of people will be educated the right way, and also they'll have the right information when it comes to forex and online investment. We are also going to be helping you to identify online investment scams that you should avoid along the line. So great people, what is forex trading that we are talking about? What is really this forex trading? I would like to demonstrate with you what forex trading is and exactly what is done in the foreign exchange market. So permit me to share with you the screen of my phone to show you exactly how we do forex and how it operates and how people do benefit from forex trading. So please, let's go straight to the screen of my phone and see exactly what we can do. Okay, great people. I would like to take you straight to my phone and show you exactly what we do in the foreign exchange market. And I'll also be able to share with you the Bell Forex group here on WhatsApp exactly to show you how people trade forex on daily basis. I will start by actually showing you this application. Possibly you may have seen the application before. I don't know if you have seen the application before. This application here, which we call the MT4 application or the MetaTrader 4 application. This application gives you access to the foreign exchange market where you can see a list of currencies. So, forex trading here is simply the exchange of one currency against that of another country currency. So that is what's called foreign exchange. That means foreign currency are traded on daily basis. And the forex exchange market is open from Monday to Fridays, and on Fridays evening it closes and reopen back on Sunday night. In the forex exchange market, which is online, we basically study the graph of different currencies. Like we can study the exchange rate between two currencies. For example, we could study the dollar against the CFA, and or let's say we can study the Great Britain pounds here against the United States dollars. Let me just open the chart. This is actually the forex trading platform, which you may not be versed with. On this platform, you are going to see different foreign currencies in pairs. Like in this scenario here, we have the Great Britain pounds against the United States dollars. And uh, it means here that one Great Britain pounds will be equivalent to this amount of United States dollars graduated at this end. So at the time at which we are actually working on this live, one GBP, which is one Great Britain pounds, is equivalent to 1.27787 United States dollars. So that is the exchange rate between the Great Britain pounds and the United States dollars. So in the foreign exchange market, what we do is that we will analyze the exchange rate between two foreign currencies, and we will find out when the exchange rate is to go up or when the exchange rate is to drop. If we discover that the exchange rate is to go up, for example, like from this point here, the exchange rate of Great Britain pounds against the United States dollars went up from 1.26850 to about 1.28600. So there was an increase in the exchange rate between the Great Britain pounds and the United States dollars. So forex trader who took, for those who took who bought or who did or placed buy positions on the dollars and the Great Britain pounds against the dollars this day, made profit as the exchange rate went up. Same as those who this morning decided to place sell orders on the GBP USD pair, since the exchange rate left from this high to this bottom here, they made significant profit selling Great Britain pounds US dollars currency pair. So in the forex exchange market, which is actually done online, which is the trading of currency, the market for to trade currencies, and open to everybody around the world. And this trading of currencies, it is done because people move from one country to another. They do international trade. They convert one currency against the other to move, to buy goods and services, to pay for things of in other countries. So people are forced to exchange their country currency to that of another country currency if they want to pay for goods and services in that country, or if they want to travel in that country. So definitely means that you yourself, you may have partaked in the foreign exchange market before. So how is the forex exchange market beneficial to you and I? It is beneficial to you and I because we could study how this exchange rate fluctuation takes place. We could understand how it works, and we could learn how to utilize the different platform where this currency trading takes place, and we ourselves can be able to put an amount of money as an initial capital and start using it to analyze the market to find out when the exchange rate of a particular currency is going to rise or drop, so that we can pass our day buying and selling different currency pairs to make profit at the end of the day. With the use of our smartphone and a computer for added advantage to ease technical analysis and fundamental analysis, we can place ourselves in a good position where we can generate income on daily basis as far as forex is concerned. Let me just open a trade on this one. Let you just see. Let's say we have done an analysis on this pair, and from my smartphone, I'm using the trading application called MT4 application. I'll be able to go to this application here in this application because I'm going to have a class on this platform, another live on this platform, when I'm going to be teaching you how to utilize the different trading application. Since the program is a long-term program, this is just an introduction to forex trading, and I'm just trying as much as possible for you to understand what it is. So for example, let's say that I have done an analysis on this currency pair GBUSD, and I'm to trade the currency pair. I will click on it and I will take new orders. Now, I'm not here to explain the different things, the different functionality of trades, or the different the stuffs about around the trade, like the stop loss, or this in take profit, or lot size variations. But I'm just here to show you that I can buy, as you see the buy button, I can sell this particular currency. So on this platform, I can click to buy this currency pair, and as well, I can take an order to sell this currency pair at the end of the day as well. So I can also sell this currency pair. So, and you can see the trade will be running here. So these are the two trades that are running. So we have bought and we have sold this currency pair, and we can make profit by doing this on daily basis. So this is exactly what we do, and this is exactly what you have been hearing about, and this is what people do on daily basis, those that are trading forex. So you may be interested in learning forex, you may be interested in doing forex trading, but it is vital for you to note that if you want to start trading forex, you must understand these things. You must understand the application used. You must understand the different things around trading forex. So I'll be here to guide you based on this program how things are going to go. I'll be teaching you about the platforms and everything you need as far as forex trading is concerned. So guys, I'm going to give you more light on forex trading, what you need to know, what you should do, what you should not do, and how you can start your forex trading journey right here in Cameroon. So stick to this program here on this platform, because you are going to get a lot of information absolutely for free of charge. Thank you. Let's go to the importance of trading, and let's see why you should get involved into forex trading. Okay, great people. Now that you understand, you've understood uh, what forex trading is and how it is being done, there is still a lot of misunderstanding around forex trading, and some of those things that people are really facing as difficulties when it comes to forex trading is that people can't really differentiate between forex trading and online investment scams. So when you talk about forex, when somebody just hears somebody talking about forex, they just feel like we are talking about scams, or we are here just because we want to take their money or whatsoever. Now, what I want you to understand is that we've had a very bad experience for the past few years, especially in Africa, because a lot of companies have come, online investment platforms. You can name them, we all can name them. And on this platform, what happened is that they come, they promise you an amount of money based on a return on investment. You invest, they tell you, okay, we are going to give you 1% on a day in a day. We are going to give you 2%, 3%, 30% at the end of the month, and all of that. So when you invest your money with them, they will tell you, okay, we are using your money to trade forex. At the end, they will scam you and run away. What I'm trying to say here is that the forex trading that I am talking about is the one that you yourself, you can do your own research. I'm not saying that you should come and learn forex from me, but I'm just trying to change the mindset and to encourage the young generation, the people from Cameroon, from Africa, the younger brothers and sisters that are actually trying to get 1 or 2 meters of any money online to know exactly how it's being done. I'm going to share with you the screen of my phone to show you that we run one of the biggest forex community in Cameroon, and that this community that we run from Cameroon has a good number of profitable traders trading independently on their own on daily basis. And you yourself, you can also become like them. You don't need somewhere to invest your money. You just need access to a good forex brokerage, which at the end of this class of today, at the end of the life of today, I'm going to show you how to verify your forex account. So one of the most important things is you set a notification for this program that we are launching today, because we are going to show you the in and out of forex trading. We are going to guide you. We are going to tell you how much you can start trading forex with, how much you can make a day, the risks involved, what you should do and what you should not do. My friends, as you are listening to me, never you give your money to somebody to invest on anything online with the objective on any return on investment. They will scam you and run. So better learn how to trade by yourself. Go on Google and do your own research before you come here and comment under this live that, oh, this is a scam, these people are hungry, that people are that, people are that. You should first of all check background information of who is talking to you, and also make sure that you also do your Google research. You also do your own research on what forex trading is and exactly how you yourself you can go about it before you come and give negative comment, because we are here to help the young generation. We are here to help our friends, our brothers and our sisters to stay away from online investment scams concerning forex and cryptocurrency, to learn and have the right information by themselves and see how they could do it from their own smartphone, and how they can manage their own funds without losing money to scammers, to online investment platforms. So stay with us, because you are going to learn a lot from us as we are going to be pushing forward. So I will be taking now pre-market analysis. I'm going to be doing some analysis for this week, and this part basically is for everyone as well. You are also going to see how we analyze the forex exchange market. This part is very, very important to senior traders or to already existing forex traders, because they'll be able maybe to commune with me or to share their thought on the chart that we are going to be analyzing right away. Okay, great people. As I said, before I want to go to the technical analysis of today, to review the chart and also to give you my thought about the trade of this week, I would like that I show you my community, where I have a good number of people I have trained, I have mentored, and they're actually trading forex quite well. If you check here, this is it. This is a Bell Forex millionaire forex group on the on WhatsApp, and you can see here we have over 340 traders here. You can see this is me, Ronnie Rastant. I'm the admin of this big trading community in Cameroon, and you can see here people doing their analysis by themselves. We've been able to train a good number of traders that are trading efficiently and very well, analyzing their own chart by themselves without investing their money anywhere else. That means they can use their smartphone, analyze and trade. That is the goal. That is what we are out for. We are not out here to encourage you to go and dump your money, scam your money to go and blow your account. That means we're here to educate you. You can see a lot of people, I myself, I do my own analysis. This is Monday. I did my own analysis. I shared. You see, like this analysis here. I did this. I shared, and then we traded. Everything went well as we predicted. And so we pass our time on this platform. You can see people are trading, people are doing their analysis, they share in the group, they share their thought. So we have very big group, and this community is very active. We are one of the most active trading community in Cameroon. And you can be part of this community, you can be part of these traders, just to show you that the forex trading I am talking about, I trade it, and there are hundreds of people out there trading it, and there are people I have mentored, I have guided, they are trading it. And so you too can also trade it, and you can also be part of this community where you can see great traders sharing their knowledge and their ideas every day. We also offer trainings on forex trading, professional trainings, and the next professional course is starting from the 15th of July. And these courses are quite affordable that anybody can pay. Just with 75,000 francs, you could get your admission to this program. And believe me, there is a lot you can learn and you can become an independent trader. Why am I showing you this? I'm showing you this because many people have tried trading forex and have blown their account, and they just assume that people cannot trade forex, it's a scam, it's that, it's all of that. But I want to prove to you that you may have stopped trading forex because you didn't have the right information. And today I'm telling you that you have people that could guide you to put you through the right path, and you'll be able to succeed as a forex trader. So stay with me to the end of this program, as we are going to go straight into chart analysis. And at the end of chart analysis, I'm going to share with you how you can create and verify your first forex brokerage account. So let's go, my friends. Okay, great people. As I said, we're going straight to the market analysis for this week. And this week, we're just going to select just a single currency pair, and also alongside the dollar index. And so for the start, you all know that I am actually uh, a trader that trades much of GBP USD. So I am GU Grandpa. So that is exactly the name that my community calls me, GU Grandpa. So I trade GBP USD most often. And before I want to drive into the analysis of GBP USD, I've already done some analysis on GBP USD today, and I definitely shared that with my community. I thought I shared that on Telegram this morning, so I'm just going to go to that, and I will share that with you. So this is exactly what I was looking at in the morning. This. So this is what I was looking at in the morning. So if you can look at this analysis here, you'll see that GBP USD basically is still in an uptrend. The methodology for analysis that I used here, I use a top-down analytic method. For those who don't know what technical analysis in forex trading is all about, because it may be your first time watching it, technical analysis is that act where we use different methods to find demand and supply structure on a particular currency based chart in order to buy and sell based on those techniques. And so, one of the major ways in which we use to analyze the market to be able to find where the trend is, or to identify the trend so easily, is what we call the market structural mapping. We'll be able to map the structure to identify when we are in a pro trend or where we are in a counter trend, so that we can know exactly what to do. So in the case of GBP USD, for example, on the daily time frame, I did this analysis this early morning, and GBP remains still in an uptrend as the higher highs and higher lows have not been broken. So for those who knows about structural mapping, the market or a forex pair has a tendency to trend or to consolidate. And during trending, a trending market, the market will always move in this up, pull back, up, pull back. That's the case of an uptrend. And there are this portion of the trend, which we call the heights. And as long as those heights get broken, it's a sign that the market can continue bullish. But the market is made up of these two phases, a period whereby we have impulses and a period where we have the correction of the movement. So in an uptrend, when the exchange rate of a currency pair is rising, we'll have a period where the currency pair can rise. Let's say exchange rate leaves from 500 to 700, for example. And before the exchange rate leaves from 700 to 800, the exchange rate can come back from 7 to 600 first, then before coming back to break 700 to 800 to 900. And maybe to get to 1000, it can first of all comes down back to 800, then come back and break 900, then get to 1000. So it is a series of market movement in a particular way the market moves. So the market, the forex exchange market, always move in that manner. So you always have to move forward, then come back a little bit, move forward. So during technical analysis, you are expected to learn and understand how the foreign exchange market moves, and you will learn the different trading techniques that you can use to analyze the market. So analyzing GBP/USD today, the method of analysis that I used to analyze was market structural mapping, which I basically focus on the swing structures of GBP/USD on the daily time frame. So we had this height here and we had this low here. And from this low created a new height from here, breaking the former one and making us sure that we are still in an uptrend. So it then actually created a new high from here and then created this low. And this low also took off this high, keeping this market still in an uptrend. At the moment, for us to consider that GBP/USD has moved from being an uptrend to a downtrend, we may need to observe a break of the structure, which is a key structure at the moment T. A key structure because it actually have broken this high. I will not really consider this other higher structure here to be a swing structure at the moment until this low have broken this equal height above here. So if this market break above this other high here, then I'll be pretty sure that this low has become a strong low, which if price break that strong low, then GBP/USD would change from being an uptrend in a long-term perspective to a downtrend with a long-term perspective. So, but as for the moment, as now is concerned, we are still bullish for GBP/USD. So this is exactly the analysis we did on Friday when the non-farm payroll result was out. The non-farm payroll result was basically negative for the dollar, and actually one of the core things that helped to weaken the dollar. And as well, it actually was not really that good for the United States dollars. And GBP saw some strength, and the graph GBP/USD saw a good rally. That means the market was moving to the upside. But at that particular price point, as you can see that I did here today, it met this resistance, and then we saw an equal height. So normally price was supposed to react on this resistance, and I predicted that the market was supposed to sell today, and then from there we can see a rally from this around the structure. This was actually the higher time frame skeleton analytics. That means the higher time frame. I'm going to explain to you what I mean by higher time frame analysis soon, because it's important you know what we mean by higher time frame analysis or top-down analysis. So when you go to that, this is exactly the chart that we had, and you can see the prediction I made. It came and created this equal height, and then price reacted on the equal height, and we saw the market dropping to this structure here where we have an OB. If you want to refine that, you're going to get a point of interest here where the market could turn around and react inside that other block, and we can see a rally of GBP/USD above the equal high, since we are still in the favor of a bullish market. So basically, that is exactly what we could be observing this week as far as GBP/USD is concerned. So based on GBP/USD, I would like to see the price of GBP/USD rallying above the equal high. So if I see a break of this equal high, this will be a very strong sign for a continuation of a bullish GBP/USD, and you can actually sort out very good buy opportunity as that market is concerned. But talking about today analysis, that's exactly what the market has been moving exactly the way we've been predicting. And we're expecting that the market should create some level of build up around here. So the market could just, after this rally, could maybe drop again a little bit. I'm expecting some build up around this structure here. And after that build up, some clearance of liquidity. And if price rally, it's going to be very interesting. And if price is able to break above the core high, then that will be a very good point to trade. That means the structure, a very key structure, will be broken and a bullish GU could be observed to the end of the week. So I want you guys to pay attention to that. And this may happen today, tomorrow, or Wednesday. So we should pay keen attention to the price of GBPUSD and to the major structure I have mapped. Based on our mapping, GBPUSD remains still in an uptrend. I know a lot of people are going to be looking at the double top formation for GBPUSD, but there is something a little bit far beyond this, because if you want to look at GBPUSD from a very long-term perspective, you are going to see that GBPUSD has a very good move, a rally that is going to be going up to this point of interest here. So we have a very good point of interest on GBPUSD right above here. And there is a great chance GBPUSD is coming to react inside this structure. And that's why I still remain bullish for GBPUSD. So we have a very good structure here where GBPUSD can even react. That is based on drop-based drop, and there was actually an institutional trading around the structure. And I'm not, if even if you want to use a trend line, because trend line trading is also a methodology that trader could use to grab good trade opportunities. So even if you want to use a trend line trading methodology, then you will still see that there's still room for a bullish GBP/USD. And you can see that from September, the 1st of September 2022, GBP/USD have gained a lot of strength against the United States dollars, and we've seen a consistent rally for the GBP/USD currency there, and we're still in an uptrend. And I believe that within the weeks ahead, we will still continue to see a bullish GU and possibly to this area of interest that I've just been able to demonstrate right here. So if you are trading GBP/USD, pay keen attention for the upside, because the market is still in an upside. I believe that we could have a double top formation as you see here, but I would not like you to rely on that, because the double top formation is not yet in any key area of value. Because if you want to look at, for example, for the history of GBP/USD, and you want to look at this double top where it's currently, the double top is around this level of structure here, and there is no significant price reaction here that can tell us, or that can give us information for a reversal. So there is nothing around here which we can use to consider a reversal for GBP/USD. At least a penetration into this point of interest here could be more sounding and reasonable. So I still remain bullish for GBP/USD. So if you are trading GBP/USD, please really check that and check the key structure that I've mapped out, and it can go a long way to help you generate more profit within the week. And another stuff I really want to look at today is the dollar index. The dollar index, I trade just GBP/USD, and that's why I started my analysis on GBP/USD. For the past 2 years, I've been trading just GBP/USD alone, and I make significant profit from that pair every single month. And I have mastered GBP/USD to the core, to the top, because that's what I've been doing. Most of my students trade multiple pair, but me, I trade just single pair GBP/USD. And also, I pay special focus to the dollar index. As concerning the dollar index, I saw something quite interesting about the dollar index the other day, and I believe that I should share this with you as well. Looking at the dollar index, you can see this setup that I put. You can see this analysis that I put up for the dollar index. You can see this triangle that the dollar index actually formed. You can see it for yourself, and the reaction of price along these structures, like price reacted here, price reacted here, price reacted here, reacted here, reacted here, reacted here. And we saw a break of price out of that structure, very clean structure. And normally we should expect a break and retest possibly of that structure. But from every indication, price also break a local resistance in the process. This resistance, there was local resistance here in the process. And in that process, after breaking the local resistance here at 89 point, we had a touchback at that local resistance and a second touchback at that resistance that became a support, and we're able to map out or to get out two double bottoms, like a double bottom from that area, right? And price quickly rally from there. And if we want to ask ourselves where price could be rallying to, uh, clearly on this 3 months chart, we can see a very clear point of interest. This other block with so much imbalance that was created from the inertia of this drop. So you have to pay keen attention to this particular movement, because price could be able to push back into this into this point of interest, and it is very vital for you to check that, and we could see a clear reaction from that point. So it is vital for us to pay attention to this price point. It is very vital to pay. So as you can see, there was actually a very good other block with imbalance at this price point. And for the dollar index, we could see it coming. Really, it was actually targeting that structure. So there's a possibility that the dollar index will rally back into from this base here. I used actually the closures of the candles at this structural level. You could see it for yourself. I actually focus a little bit more. Let me just give away this structure here. I want you to pay attention to this blue structure, this blue line. The dollar index could see a drop to this structure here, and a rally to really touch inside this other block and feel maybe some leftover others that were there. And from there, we can see the dollar index moving to the downside. That is just the top down analytics, because if you want to go down to a smaller time frame like the 4 hours chart, you could from there see exactly what is happening from that structure, and you'll be able to map out this blue line. And you can see that most of the time when price is really coming to a point where it's going to have a deviation or to really change, there's always that move that can cause a fast execution, people to buy before time and people to sell before time. And there is a lot of liquidity that will be hanging just beneath this structure here. So there will be a lot of liquidity hanging just beneath the structure. So a lot of money, a lot of liquidity will be hanging beneath here, which you should pay attention to that. So we're going to have a lot of liquidity. Money will be in that point there. So there's a lot of money hanging just beneath here, which you can get into the blue, the structure. Let me change it to blue, since I've been using blue to describe that structure. Which can get into that structure, and we can see a rally of the dollar index from there. So you should pay keen attention to that. And this dollar index analysis was done since last week, where I predicted a drop in the dollar index. It's already occurring, so I really want to see a continuation and a clear off of the liquidity beneath here to get to that structure, which I saw on the monthly and the 3 month chart. And from there, if we can get a rally, it will be very interesting. So if you actually analyze the dollar index, keenly pay keen attention to what I've just said, it could go a long way to really help you improve on your profit this week. So please look at that, the chart for GPUSD I've given to you. Also check the dollar index. I'm also open for opinions. And by the end of the program, you could come over to the Bell Forex page and then you share your opinion on the chart, because I'm going to post this to analysis there, and you can come under the post to give your opinion, what you think, because I know I'm also talking to other traders and we have different view about the market. Your opinion can also help me to become a better trader. So I am a student always. I'm always willing to learn what will give me money, right? So you can also share your thought on the Bell Forex page, because I'm going to put that analysis there for commentaries and for permit people to share their thought, what they think, as far as the week is concerned. And as well, I'm going to also give in the next part of the program, where I'm going to be showing you how to create and verify your brokerage account. I'm going to give you a lot of good information from there as well. So stay tuned to the end of that presentation. Apart of that, we are going to have very interesting fundamental analysis this week. The fundamental analysis for this week is basically focused on the Bank of England, and we have also some central banks meetings, and as well as inflation data for the United States, Germany, and China. So you should pay keen attention to the inflation data from the United States, Germany, and China, and also look at the Bank of England uh, central bank meetings, which will be very, very important for the week. We are going to, from the Bell Forex speech this week, update you how the fundamental analysis this week will go a long way to affect the market. So we cannot say everything here because of time constraints. So I would really advise you to come back to the Bell Forex speech, and you will see a lot of things concerning the fundamental for this week, and also a follow-up of the technical analytics for this week, so we can all make profit as the week runs by. So let me go ahead and show you how you can create and verify your XNext account so you can have your own first brokerage account where you can start trading Forex with. So let's go straight to that.
Okay, great people. As I said, I'm going to be doing this very short tutorial to show you how you can successfully create and verify your XNext account without any issue. Most of the challenges you are going to face when creating your XNext account is during the address verification, because people actually don't fill their address correctly. So when filling your address is not the name of your town. Your address is not the name of your village. Your address is an exact location where you stay. So your address would normally comprise of the name of your town, your quarter, and even your street. For example, I stay in Tiko Street 1, Awusa Quarter, for example. That is an address. They cannot ask you for an address, you put that your address is Kumba or Boya or Tiko, full stop. That's not an address, it's the name of a town. So brokerages want a specific address for you. So when creating your address, when creating your XNext account, make sure that your address is in detailed, is in full, your full address. So if you have created an XNext account before and you are facing the verification issues, you are going to click on the link that I'm going to put in the video description, the XNext account registration link. You are going to click on that link and recreate another account. You can create as many XNext accounts as you want, as long as you use a new email address at any time you are creating an account. So you will be forced to use a new email address. You can use the same number, the same name, the same everything, and you can use your ID card or your passport or your driver license to verify your identity. Once your identity is verified, if you don't have a valid ID, or you don't have a passport, or you don't have a driver license, you can use that of another person, but you use your email address and your number. If you use the ID card of another person or the driver license of another person, the account information, the name of the account will be in the name of that person, so that so that the identity will be verified. If that is done, I can assist you in getting to you the right document to use to verify your address. So if you have successfully created an XNext account using the link in the video description, or using the link I'm going to send in the WhatsApp groups, then I can help you in the address verification to help you get you the right document that you need in just few minutes. So make sure that you have created your account with a link, and your address when creating your XNext account is in detail. Make sure you state the name of your town, like I live in Douala, Mashen Dokbasi, road number 2. That is an address, for example. And your where you live, if you don't have a street name or number, you can create your own. We just want to see the detail. You can create your own. You can actually describe where you live yourself individually. So nobody is going to come and be checking the description, but we want to see the detailed description from your back end. So if you have been able to put a detailed description of your address, then I can go ahead and assist you in the process of your account creation. So let me just take you through the account creation phase faster. So to create an account, definitely you need to click on the XNext registration link that I will be providing to you. After clicking on the XNext registration link, it will definitely take you to the back to the XNext website. If you have downloaded the XNext app already, no problem. But when it takes you to the registration page, it will require of you to fill your country, your email, and a password, which that can be done very easily. And you can proceed after doing that to the next phase. So after like filling the information, that is your country, your email address, and your password, you can now click continue. If you have downloaded the XNext app, after clicking on continue, it will take you directly to the trading app. But if you have not downloaded the forex app, the XNext app, it will take you directly to the website. Like for example, mine just took me to the XNext app because I have XNext. So after clicking on continue, it takes me directly to the XNext app because I have the app. Now, if you don't have the app, it will land you to the back office, which I'm going to show you. And from this app as well, you can also go directly to the back office. So how can that be done? When this open, just click on this X yellow sign up there. You click on that X yellow sign, you will see a chart like this. And there's going to be a menu button above. That is for those who have the app. That 3 menu button lines. Click on it, and then you come down here on XNext products. Down here on XNext products, click on XNext products. Then you will see trader space. You click on this trader space here, and it will land you to this back office. This is the same back office you would have seen if you don't have a trading app. This is the back office you would have seen after clicking on continue if you don't have the XNext app. But now that you had the XNext app, it took you to the back to the app, and I've shown you how to get back to this back office end to continue your account creation. From this back office end, you need to click here on profile complete profile. That means you want to complete your profile. They will start by verifying your email. So you will send a code by clicking here to send a code. You're going to send a code to your email. So you go to your Gmail that you created and collect that code. I'll go to the Gmail. I'll collect the code from XNext. Then I'll come back and paste it there, and I'll verify my email address. Now, next will be your phone number. You can use the same phone number you have used to create an XNext account before. Then you send an SMS to that number. Then you're going to receive a text message for that to that number. Now, when the text message comes, we are going to automatically fill it there, and then we'll proceed. So after receiving the verification code from my phone automatically via an SMS, I will fill it there and I'll click continue. Now they'll ask me to fill my details, my informations. Now this is where it becomes very, very important. To fill your informations here, you need to be very, very careful not to fill the wrong information. And so make sure that this information that you are filling, your name, should be very accurate on the identification document you want to use, be it your passport, be it anything. So let's say, for example, my name is Chia Gabriel, for example, and then I'm a male. I'm going to select that. I'll put the exact date of birth that I have on my identification document. So I'll put the exact date of birth. May, was born in May, then 1999. So I'll put the date of birth. Then I put now my full address. This is where it becomes very tricky. Do not put your address to be Bamenda. I know that before we're using the new Cameroon ID to verify our address, which is no longer very valid on XNext. So if you are using the new Cameroon ID now to verify your address and your identity, it becomes complicated. And most of the address behind the new Cameroon ID is just the name of a town. But this time around, I'm going to be doing everything possible to get you a document that can help you show you the right document that you can use to verify this address. So in this process, for this document to be valid, your address must be in detail. So for example, see the way I'll write my address here. I live in Douala, for example. I'll say Douala, Ari village, Ari, Ari, Ari village, That is, I'm living in Douala, and the specific area in Douala is Village, Ari Village Street. You can create your own street number. Street 3, Saint Peter, for example. Saint Peter. So that's the detail of my quarter. The quarter is Saint Peter. The quarter is in Douala, in the locality of Ari. So I have a detail and a street. So you can do your own Saint Peter, and then you proceed. Now, when you proceed from here, they will ask you to verify, to complete the verification of your account, which you are going to take here. Effectuer la verification. That means complete the verification. And to complete the verification here, you need to verify your ID. So for very sensitive reason, I'm going to post the video. Before you upload the ID and the identification document, you need to answer some very few questions. These questions, you can select any answer. It's not any for anything, because some people get blocked there for nothing. So just answer the one you can answer. I need to answer all, then you click on continue. After clicking continue, you need to upload your Cameroon ID. That need to have the name. If it's not the Cameroon ID you are using, you can use a driver license or you can use a passport, and the name must be exact like the name you fill when creating your account to be able to verify your identity. So I'm going to upload an ID card, but before I upload the ID card, I'm going to post that section of the video. So here you can select the document you have. If it's a passport, you select. If it's an ID card, you select. Or if it's a driver license, you select. So I'm going to just, if you are using a driver license or an ID card, you upload the front of the ID or driver license first, and secondly, you upload the back of the ID card or driver license. If it's a passport, you just upload one page, and on the second box, you can still upload the same first page of your passport, and that is all. So I'm going to upload the first page and the second page of the ID card. So now that I've uploaded the ID card, I'll be able to proceed. And the next page should be the place to upload my verification document. So when you are at this level now to upload the verification document, and you have written your address for this account to be in detail as I've explained, you can take a screenshot of your address and send to me. Let me help you make sure you get the right document. So how do you get there? You just need to go back to this back office end here. Then you click on this three line up here like that. You click on the three line up there. Then you scroll down to settings, parameter settings. You click on settings now, and you will see profile. This is your profile, and this is my address. So you screenshot this so that I'll have, and we'll make sure that when getting you the document, we'll make sure that this is the exact address that is on that document, and so your XNext account will be verified very easily. So make sure that if you have followed the steps and you have created an account with the link in the video description, inbox me on WhatsApp so that we can help you. I hope that this live has been helpful to you. Remember, our next Forex course is starting on the 15th of July, which we are going to be teaching you everything about Forex, fundamental as technicals, and to make sure that you become a profitable trader. Make sure you use XNext. It's the most reliable Forex brokerage in the world. Thank you. Bye-bye.